We're on the AiScan O1 and we're scanning 3D scanner software. 3D scanner, the brand new handheld scanner, AiScan O1. We're scanning. We're testing the scanner right now. And now we're fusing and optimizing. Here it is, it's finally rendered this 3D, this 3D scan. See, the 3D scans aren't perfect. You're going to have a point cloud, and then some of these point clouds, they're going to have artifacts. See, so we did a 3D scan, and then you're going to have these little dots. We did the 3D scan of this rotating turntable. We have small little artifacting here. We have little artifacts, and it's good. But we have some artifacts on the face. But see, we can clean that up later. We have a way to clean this up. But overall, it's really nice. But there are small little artifacts. And then what we can do is we can output this into point cloud. We can output this into a different type of a mesh. You know what I'm saying? But overall, it's really nice. We're able to capture. But these are just our first tests here. So we have a rotating turntable. And here's just our first test with the AiScan O1. So we're on a rotating turntable. And we've just scanned this model with the 3D scanner. But see, you're always going to have some kind of little artifacting. So this is the point cloud, and then we fused it, and we've optimized it. But then see, you're going to bring it into Blender, and then you're going to have to clean up these little dots, the point cloud dots. And then you can actually go and make a 3D printed model, or then you could sell these, say, on Sketchfab. So if you have, any kind of objects you want to 3D scan, you could do that. So since we have enough room, what we're going to do is we're going to try and make a Gaussian Splat of this model right here, right now. But this is the second test. The first one actually came out a little better, but we just scan this, and then we just tried to mesh this. This is just the first test that we're doing. Our first test here where we fused it, and we have good lighting here, and I mean that's a pretty good start.